Guys, have you seen one of the Amit Siddiqui's videos when he was trying to troll all the YouTubers for their content? And in that viral video, he actually kept speaking the word content. And that doesn't make any sense. Actually, he meant to say content, but due to lack of knowledge, you can say, he was using the word content. And because of that, he has just become a part of a joke for every YouTubers. Because content meaning is the state of satisfaction, and the content is all about your topic or your description of your topic. So guys, are you committing the same type of mistake? Oh, don't do, because when you become a good speaker and after that if you are doing the same type of holler, it will really affect your image, or you will become a part of a joke by everyone. So if you are learning the English language, your first rule is that you have to learn the how to pronounce or how to articulate the words in a correct way. And believe me, because some of the words doesn't follow any rule, what native speakers articulate, we need to just follow the same thing, or we have to imitate the same thing. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you that common mispronounced word, and believe me, you have to inculcate or cultivate all these words in a good way or in a right or appropriate way. So first I am going to speak in a wrong way, and after that I will correct it. So guys, without any further ado, let's start. So first one, in terms of your topic, content. In terms of satisfaction, content. Not data. Not comment. Not poem. It has two syllables. The first syllable must be emphasized. Poem. Not coupon. Not entrepreneur. So the last syllable must be emphasized, and it has four syllables. Not restaurant. Not comfortable. And this one is pretty common, which is mispronounced by everyone, even by doctors as well. So it's not dengue. Not Wednesday. Not suggestion. Not singer. Well, it has two syllables, sing and so the first syllable must be emphasized. Not monk. Not schedule is completely wrong. If you are following the American accent, you can speak schedule, and in British, schedule. Not determine. Not mortgage. Here T is silent and you have to speak mortgage. Not hierarchy, but it has to start from high, okay? Hierarchy, and after high you need to speak in a very low voice. Hierarchy. Not interesting. Not hotel. Not February. Not police or police, it's police. Not tuition. Most common. Not video. Not chocolate. Not coat. Actually it has a sound of W, okay? Coat. If this word is noun, then you have to say resume. And if it would be verb, then you have to say resume. Not development. Not dessert, which you are taking after the meal, it's called dessert. The dessert must be given more stressed, and if you are talking about the dessert, then you have to emphasize the first syllable. Dessert. Not short. So these are all words which are mostly spoken wrong by different type of people. So watch this video again and again until and unless you cannot speak accurately all these words, and after that you will get the confidence and you will be very much comfortable to speak anyone. So that's what you need to do is right now. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe it too, and catch you later.